getting so many of these China moves. I thought Air Max 200, but from Jordan, a Phoenix Suns colorway. The hell, really? What? That's like what, 36 bucks or something? That's what's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Cakes. Yeah, man, we're at the Nike Clearance Center. Gotta come here at least once a week, maybe twice a week. Gosh, yeah, because their deals are crazy. Right now, I see a sign. It's only 20% off, but the regular prices, the starting price for some of their sneakers is so much lower than the regular outlets. Yeah, we gotta check it out, you guys. Let's go see what's up. See what's up. There's so many people going in and out, man. It's gonna be crowded as hell in here. All right, see what's up. Let's see what happened, you guys. We're gonna switch it up. Actually, we're gonna start in the kids section. Never done that before, but yeah, I kind of need to get to 5.5 though. So yeah, let's try it again. So like I said, we're gonna start in the kids section. Let's see what we find, you guys. Damn, price is kind of high today, you guys. What the hell? At the 720s going for 85. Seems a little bit high. What? Size 6, man. This was a little bit cheaper. I might get it for my little guy, dude. But yeah, $110. Yeah, my girl would not be happy with me spending 80 bucks on one of his. But yeah, no, it's actually 90 bucks. It's only 20% off here. It's 30% everywhere else. But yeah, I got the concepts, man. That's dope. That's dope. Kyrie 6 concepts. Yeah, dang, the Air Max Deluxe going for 80 bucks. It's kind of pricey. 20% off. Still seems a little bit high. Some hella bright Air Force One. Damn, going for retail. What's up with the price here today, man? Air Max Plus right above that, 65, 20% off. See, this is what I'm talking about. 45 for some Air Force Ones, some kiddo Air Force Ones. It is just regular fabric in the middle, but yeah, got a little bit of leather, synthetic leather on the back and the front. Is this a little messed up right here though? Maybe that's why it's so cheap. Yeah. I don't know, yeah, it doesn't seem like it's supposed to be like that, but yeah, looks like all of them are like that. I don't know if that just, when they're made, it's just a little messed up, but yeah, 45, get 20% off on top of that. Got the Jordan 4 True Berries. We've seen these for like $100 at plenty of places, so that's a good price, man. 75, get 20% off. Got some Air Max Plus. I'm not digging that. I'm not digging that upper, but yeah, 65, 20% off. That's pretty solid. Tailwinds going for 70, 20% off. Got the Jordan 8s, man. These finally went down to 60. Holy crap, these have been here forever. Forever they've been here. Down to 60. Get that 20% off. I think they were like 70 or 80 before. 55 for these Air Max 95s. Low posits go for 95, get 20%. All right, so these are hella red, but yeah, I called my boy and he really wants these. And the reason why he really wants them, because he's a lazy ass kid and he doesn't want to tie his shoes, look bastard. He doesn't want to tie his shoes, so he likes the fast fit system. So that's really why he wants these sneakers. They're hella red too. Normally I wouldn't go with this type of red, but fuck it, he wants it. It's going for 65. You get it for 20% off. Probably like $51 or something. So you know, I can't. How am I gonna say, hey, you can't buy sneakers when with all the sneakers that I bought? So, you know, yeah, got my Pegasus on today. These are my $28 Pegasus. Hell of a deal. Got them in the women's section. Yeah, let's keep the search going, you guys. Keep the search. Checking the size 6s. Got the Soldier 12, 65 bucks. A little pricey, but for kids who don't want to do their laces like my lazy ass kid, 65 bucks get 20% off. Damn, that's actually kind of pricey because these Jordans will go for that much. I'd rather get those. 75 for these 95s. You know these are always 95s always be going for a lot of money. Tangents. All right, these aren't the most hype shoes, but hey, real basic. But yeah, going for what, $24? Can't complain about that. Got some pennies, 70 bucks, 20% off. Still in the 6.5. Got 70 bucks for the Black History Month 2s. Size 7 wise, still in the kids section. 60 bucks for the what's this? The Presto React or Presto Extreme V-Day? They look like Presto Reacts, but yeah, go for 60 bucks, 20% off. Seem like they got this in every size. Air Max 97s go for 75. You get 20% off. True Berries, they've had. Excuse me, sorry about that. 75 for the True Berries. Going for 75, 20% off. Size 7. Oh, is it? No, this is a different one. They got a couple of the concept. Yeah, the concept Kyrie 6s. Damn, crazy. $110, get 20% off. Most kids are gonna be super happy with this. Look at this, the Jumpman Team 2s. Most kids are gonna think this is a Jordan 13. But yeah, 55 bucks, 20% off, man. It's like in the 40s. That's what's up. All right, I love these Speed Turfs, man. 45 bucks, so cheap. God dang it, I wish my kid would like this. These are freaking dope. All right, I'm not really looking to cop anything, so yeah, we're gonna start from the smallest size to the biggest size as well. See what's up, man. See what's up. Oh, these actually finally went down in price. The Air Max Deluxe go for 80, 20% off. Cheapest we've seen those. Pegasus Turbo 6.5, 80 bucks, 20% off of that. Dang, look at those clots, $70. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Holy crap. Janowski slips, 45 bucks for those. Those look like some interesting sneakers. Those aren't even sneakers technically, are they? I don't know. But 45, you get 20% off. I was like, what? Did the Sunsets? No, they're not. They're just the Air Max Access Premium. These are like the budget Air Max sneakers. 95 down to 54, and you get 20% off of that. Jordan 11 golf sneakers in 7.5. Still going for 220 though. Yeah, at least you get 20% off. Better than nothing. Memorial Day weekend. So look, man, crazy. You rarely ever see stuff like this. But yeah, we're in the size 8s now. The size 8s. Damn, these neon ones, they really priced them down. 70 bucks and you get 20% off. That's crazy. Got these in plenty of sizes. Look at these Air Max 200, some denim. I've never, what the hell? Like a Valentine's Day version or something? That's hella interesting. Got denim and then got, what's this? Let's see. This is parts canvas right there, and then this is just regular woven fabric. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen that. Never seen some Air Max 200s like that. But yeah, we all know Air Max 200s have gone down in price. 80 bucks. Seems like I've never seen this one. 80 bucks, get 20% off on top of that. Decent. 720 still go for 100 bucks. Oh, these Ghost Swifts. We saw these a while back. These are going for 60. 60, you get 20% off. These busting out their box, 100 bucks still for the Air Max 95 Reflect. We're in the 8.5, so we don't see anything new here. 100 bucks for these bad boys. Yeah, those are 20% off. Of course, we're gonna see the Animal Pack, right? You guys, the Animal 3s, 8.5, going for 225, get 20% off. Another one of those, Animal 3s, 8.5. Another one right below that one. Dang, and getting so many of these China moves. I think everybody thought they were gonna get resale. So another one right there. Got two. Dang, both 8.5. 200, 20% off. Off the tailwinds. Oh dang, these are dope. The cream color. It's like cream color and white. Or is it all white? I don't know. But 95. 95, you get 20% off. Not bad. Let's check out the 9s. It is full, no spaces, so let's see what's up. First time we've seen this. This is a Air Max 200, but from Jordan. Jordan's line of Air Max 200s. So yeah, it's called the Jordan Max 200. $1.25, man. That's crazy. $1.25. Get 20% off. Oh, this is a new colorway of the Air Max 98s. These are. Oh wait, now we've seen these, like a Phoenix Suns colorway. Don't see these too often. This is only like the second time I've seen these. The Air Max 98 going for 95. 95, you get 20% off. Futuras going for pretty cheap. 60 bucks, you get 20% off. How is the entire 9 section just all fillers, guys? It's all fillers. Like, we're like super. I guess this would be dope, but here it's just a generic shoe. Like, you know, Got the Air Max 97 going for 70 bucks. They're all fillers, you guys. The Terra Gobes going for 60 bucks. Waffle Racers going for 50. There's just nothing special. That's a hell of a good price. But not nothing special. The Tailwinds, did I show these already? Alright, let's go to 9.5, you guys. What? What? 9.5, you guys. What the hell? What the hell? Really? What? What the hell? Man, this place be tripping me out, bro. This place be tripping me the fuck out. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. That just reminded me I need to search harder, you guys, because wow, I almost just walked right by that. So yeah, I need to search harder. This is crazy. They got crazy steals here, you guys. That's what I'm talking about. This 270 React is hella interesting because yeah, 89 bucks. Oh, I thought it said something else. 89 bucks, not too bad. Get 20% off. These normally went for what, 150 or 160 or something, so not too shabby. Black History Month 2 still, man, still $129? That's crazy. And Jordan Trunners go for $70, get 20 off of that. Got those in size 9.5 as well, same price. Plenty of those going for 90 bucks. Or 99 plus 20% off. Vomero's going for 18. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's go to size, let's move up, you guys. Size 9, 9.5. Let's go, let's move up to 10. In the size 10, you guys, still got these LeBron 16 Hot Lavas, man. Still go for 90, what, 95? Yeah, still got it for 95 and then 20% off, man. That's a solid deal. Dude got the Jordan 33s, got a few of them, or a couple of them. Go for 95, 20% off. Yeah, that's like way too high. And way too red. Presto Reacts go for 70 bucks, 20% off. MTAAs go for what? 20% off retail. We saw these for 30% off at plenty of the other outlets. 10.5. You know we gotta have some animal prints. Animal print 225. Wonder when those are gonna go down in price. Wonder when these will go down in price too. Got the Uptempo 95. Still going for 80 bucks, 20% off. So it looks like the neon ones went down in price, but these did not. But yeah, go for 100 bucks, 20% off. Jordan, oh, this is a Nike. I thought it was a Jordan box. Nike React Vision. These are interesting. It's like a Elements with a different upper, and it has that DSMX or DMSX. Nobody's ever been able to tell me what that is. But yeah, these are all right, not too bad. I don't pay retail though, or even I don't even pay a little bit less than retail, minus 20%. I gotta be way cheap for my cheap ass. Size 10.5, man. Look at this. Look at these Air Force Ones, man. They're canvas Air Force One. We got a hit of yellow. By a hit, I mean a huge hit. But the gum, that's interesting with the gum and then the yellow. What do you guys think about these? I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm passing on them. What do you guys think? They're all right. I can see how people would like them though. Especially for 45 bucks, and you get 20% off. That's like 30. That's like what, 36 bucks or something. That's a hell of a steal, man. Oh, there's still 10.5s here. What the hell? Okay, I guess we're not in the 11. 10.5s. Vapor Max 2019s. Go for $110, 20% off, like 90 bucks. All right, now we are in the size 11. 70 bucks. 70 bucks, and you get 20% off these LeBron 13s. Not bad. Got these in plenty of sizes. Go for 95. Air Max 98s. Yeah, still searching, you guys. Still searching. These Tencos. Oh, what the hell? What kind of color is this? What the hell, man? What kind of gross color is this? 80 bucks? You want some gross color Tencos? I'm searching for deals, not really finding much. The Air Max 2 Lights going for 60 bucks. Guess you get 20% of that. If you like the old school vibes. Size 11, the Air Jordan Zoom Fearless. You should get a little bit off of that. Was that $30-something off? Not too bad. Not really much in the size 11s. Not really much Size 12s as well, these. But the Proto Reacts or Proto Max 720s go for what? Buck 105, 20% off. Element Reacts going for 75. TBs, usually have a bunch of colorways of these still. The Kyrie 4 TB still going for 80 bucks, 20% off. Do got a size 12 of these Vapor Max 2019s. Get that for 110, get 20% off. That's always a solid size. Size 13, finally found something interesting. You guys got the currencies. Got the LeBron currencies, okay. Alright. Little something, only 20% off though. 13 seems to got more stuff than the other sections. Got the Daybreaks going for 60. That drops these down to what, $48? Okay. Man, I kind of like these, man. Kind of like these. If I found one, maybe I might pick one up. Like the classic look. Did I show these already? 98's going for 95, 20% off. We got a bunch of colorways of the Kyrie 4 TBs, still going for 80. Pegasus 36, that's the latest colorway, going for 70 bucks. That's a hell of a... Alright, so I'm going through the backpacks. I happen to be looking at them. These are really good for hooping. Kind of dope, man. The USA national team ones, going for 45. Do get 20% off everything. Also got these SBs, man. You could sell these all day. Sell these all day. These sell for like 60, 70 bucks all day on eBay. But yeah, 45, get 20% off on that. So that's what, $36 something. They got oh wait. So they got this one, and then did someone take the rest? Oh, there's some right here. They got like some tan colorways as well. I like this pair PSG one too. But they're kind of small, man. These are small. Like the Europeans, man, do they do everything small or what? 30 bucks, man. And it's supposedly a large. Small ass backpack, man. Yeah. But yeah, would match with my PSG 6s, but can't do it. So I did peruse through the apparel section, and yeah, like it's 20% off everything, which is super dope, but it seems like the old stuff, like not old, but the same stuff that they've had for quite some time. Because we came here just a few days ago. Like what? No, yeah, we came here like 3 or 4 days ago, and it's pretty much the same stuff. So we're gonna pay for this and wrap it up, you guys. Pay for this and wrap it up. Just wrapped up, you guys. Dang, got 60 bucks. Minus 12. Got the Zoom Freaks for $48. That's crazy, dude. And then the Jordan 33s cost $52. Not that great of a deal, but my kid really wanted it. So, yeah, man. What a trip. What a trip. Man, it's just crazy how, like, the lamest trips could turn out, like, super dope, like, in, like, a couple minutes. Like, I don't know. Like, I wasn't finding much. It's only 20% off. They didn't have that many dope. They didn't have that great of a selection. So, you know, like, the visit looked like it was going to suck, but... Man, that was dope. That was dope. I ended up copping some for my little guy. Probably got something else for a family member, because I think I'm gonna give that to him, especially for like 40. It was like $40 some. Like sneakers normally cost 200 bucks. I don't know. Sneakers normally cost what, $120, and got them for like 40 something. Like that's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Definitely appreciate that. Don't forget to help your boy out. Press that like button. And if you're new, make sure you guys press that subscribe button, you guys. And don't forget that notification bell, because I do drop a lot of videos. I dropped 2 today. So yeah. But thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah, that was unexpected, man. That was crazy. Unexpected. All right, finally done for the day. Time to go edit.